What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you live as I'm speaking just how easy it is to actually get a t-shirt design up on Amazon and on TeeSpring and make some money. It's all coming up. Stay with me. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora everywhere that I go. I'm one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make my online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
But seriously, this is ridiculous already. You do this every time. You never look at the reviews. He never looks and he complains. Crazy guy. Anyhow, I also do a lot of videos like this one on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of videos on entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thanks again, Liz Lemon. She says the same thing every single day, but I never get tired of hearing it. She's such a sweetheart, isn't she? Liz Lemon, everybody. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Quick here. This is my first t-shirt that I designed for the Merch by Amazon program. And, you know, it's a cute little t-shirt. I'm only talking to the cat today. Tomorrow's probably going to be the same. You know, and it's got a picture of a cat. Now, the reason I'm showing this to you is because a few weeks ago I put up a video talking about Merch by Amazon. I want to show you guys that I actually do practice what I preach. I was waiting to get approved. I have been approved by them, and I put together my first design with them. This literally took me 5 minutes to do. Like literally 5 minutes, and I was done, finished, out the door.
Out of here, man.
Yeah, something like that. So, you know, it's like this took no time at all to do. Let me show you. I'm going to actually show you as I'm on the video right now. I'm going to show you how easy this is to actually do this entire thing, because I really want you, my viewers, to actually succeed and make some money online. This isn't hard to do. This is super simple. Okay, so basically, first of all, this is Merch by Amazon. You have to be approved for one of my other designs was rejected here. Honestly, it doesn't look all that good anyhow, to be perfectly honest, but whatever. Anyhow, bottom line is this super simple. All I did was like this, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to actually put something together live together with you, and that's going to go up tomorrow because you can only put up one product at a time per day on Merch by Amazon. So you have to do one per day. And you can have up to 10 designs that are running at any given time. All right, so this is what I did. I knew I wanted to do something about cats. Regular viewers of the channel know that I have 2 cats. We also have a dog.
It's a madhouse! A madhouse!
Yeah, it's kind of crazy here. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, so so I decided to do something about cats, and so I just did this thing. I'm only talking to the cat today. You know, it's a silly thing, but people like these kind of things. People love to see, you know, these little things with, like, you know, pithy sayings. Oh, it's a cute t-shirt, and there's a lot of cat lovers in the world, and so it's super easy to sell something like that. All I did was I went over here to this website called Photopia, and I did File, New. Okay, literally this is like the easiest thing in the world, and they actually have ready-made designs that you can use here. Okay, you can pick any of these designs. Just pick one that you like. You know, like, okay, let's try this one. Actually, this one looks like it could be really cool. Okay, and then basically all you're going to do is edit your design here. Okay, so we're going to click Hello World. We'll click the text button. Okay, I'm going to edit the design. Let's see, what am I going to put down? Something pithy that I can put down. Let me pause the video while I think of something. Okay, so I went and I basically just Googled quotes about ghosts, and So a whole bunch of stuff here. Like I said, this is super simple to do. Okay. And basically, I'm not going to copy somebody exactly, but I'm getting some ideas, um, for inspiration. So, for example, over here, instead of hello world, we're going to write, one second, let me get into here. Hello. I don't believe in ghosts. Okay, and we can make this a little bit smaller, obviously. You can see I'm doing this live as I'm speaking. Okay. All right. And over here, we're going to make something funny. I don't believe in ghosts. Except at night, when they visit me. That's it. Funny little thing. Now, in order for this to be approved by Amazon, I need to make it the correct size. So let's go ahead and change the image. Okay. And we're going to change the image size. It's going to be 5400 by 4500, I believe, is the correct size. We're going to unlink this. 5400 by 4500. All right, and it's going to automatically resize this for me. This is super simple. Like I said, there's nothing to this. All right, and let's just see how it looks now. All right, fits the area. Boom, we're done. Then I believe in them. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and just move this. Sorry, my dog is having a little bit of a growling thing. And there we go. We're done. Okay, and then I'm going to click File, Export as a PNG. And I have my design for tomorrow for Merch by Amazon. Super simple to do. Very, very easy. Takes about, what? How long is this video? 10 minutes? Less than 10 minutes? And I'm done. I just upload it to Merch by Amazon. I pick a few colors of t-shirts that look good with it, and I'm done. And by the way, you can also do the same thing. You can take the exact same thing and put it over on TeeSpring as well. Okay, I've already got this stuff over on TeeSpring also. And you can upload as much as you like to Teespring. Teespring, unlike Amazon, does not require you to do only one per day or limit you to 10 items. And if you want to spend 50 cents, by the way, Teespring will actually go ahead and get your stuff up on eBay, on Amazon, on Wish, which is a nice extra feature. If not, you can just sell through the Teespring store, or you can sell it on your own, really and truthfully. But either way, it's not a lot of money to do that, and these t-shirt designs will be out there forever, and 5 years from now, somebody might buy a t-shirt, and I'm still going to be making money from the work that I did today in literally a couple of minutes over here. So go ahead, go out there, actually do something, make some money online. Don't waste time. Don't just sit around saying, "Oh, I can't do it." You can see this literally was less than 10 minutes of work, and that includes me sitting here recording the video and actually doing this literally less than 10 minutes. Go ahead and go out and do it. There's no excuses, people. Seriously, go out and make some money.